Morning, student. Today I discuss customizing Windows 7 for class 4, chapter number 3. Today this topic related to components of Windows 7. The main component of the main components of Windows when you start your computer first the desktop, second my computer, third recycle bin, fourth taskbar, fifth shortcut application. Let's see, this is the computer screen and this is the monitor, and this is the, because this laptop is starting mode, not for I am starter. This area is the window component. This particular area is the window. This is the recycle bin. This area is the start button. This is the start button. And this the bottom area is related to the taskbar, and the control panel and the VLC is all of such of this part are the shortcut. After opening an application, you will also have a window with an active application which will appear your desktop and taskbar. First, desktop. What is the desktop? This is the first screen. The first screen which appear your computer and the start, and the first screen which appear will show the desktop. This is the first screen appears when computer is on with Windows 7. This is the desktop. Second, my computer and the icons. What is the icons? Second, what is the icons? This is the icon. This VLC, the icons. This VLC icons. This all of part are related to the icons. This totally part is showed at the desktop. This totally part related to the icons. Icons means a small graphical object. Icons is a small graphical object which show various program, files, folder. This is, let's see, this icon is related to the various program. This is this VLC player, this is the media player, and control. This is the control panel. This is also related to the icon. This is the QKill. This is also to the antivirus. So this icon is the small graphics, and which allow to the various program, files, folder, etc. My third point is the shortcut. My third point is the shortcut. What is the shortcut? Shortcut, these object. First of all, I discuss what is the shortcut. These object are the link to files. Shortcut. These object related to files, folders, or program. A store at some other location. This object related to files, folder, or program are placed to some other place. This is the shortcut. These are represented by the icon. This is the desktop, and suppose this is the shortcut, control panel. I open to the any such type of files. Suppose calculator. So this calculator is show in the hidden mode, and there are so many such type of activity. Control panel is show to the other place. This is the control panel. This is the control panel. This control panel is show to the hidden form, and this control panel is show to the desktop. So this desktop is show to the shortcut of the control panel. So this is the shortcut. Taskbar. Taskbar is the bottom of the desktop. This area is related, this bottom place is related to the taskbar. This is the taskbar. It is used to manage multiple programs, open a different window. This is the taskbar. This is the Google, Filmora. This is the so many such type of. There are the so many such type of programs is open in this area. Suppose I open to the Google, and this is the Google, and I open to the any such type of program. So this taskbar is provided to the any such type of program open in this particular area. And fifth, a start button. A start button this is the gateway of a window, and the window based program stored in the computer. Again I repeat, what is the start button? So this is the gateway to window, and the window based program stored in computer. When click, it opens a start menu that helps to search any program search setting. This is a show to the start button. This is the start. I show to the any search type. Suppose I this is the search bar. I search to the control panel. This is the control panel. Any such type of option is provided in the start button. So this is the important point of the component of Windows 7. Thank you so much.